and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be unboxing Dyson Zoom. It's a pretty obscure product, but I want to see how good it does against allergies in the Ohio Valley. Let's remove the cellophane. Is an outer sleeve. And this is quite a heavy box too. Okay, I already cut that. Excellent. Get the My Dyson app. This is the Absolute Plus. At the time of recording, it was $50 more than the regular one. It comes with extra accessories. Okay. This is pretty dang nice. This is a case for them. And it includes a lanyard or something? I don't know. We'll get to that soon. I guess these are the extra bits that come with this one. That's it for the box. Box is pretty heavy still. Feels like there's stuff in it. Let's see what's in the accessory box. Okay, very nicely laid out. Very nice USB-C cable. So we got a USB-C cable. Ooh, a headphone jack adapter. Beautiful, excellent. So this plugs into the headphones, and then this plugs into your audio device. Very nice USB-C cable. That's Dyson branded. Okay, I'm liking this so far. Might be worth the money. Ooh, this is really soft. A soft pouch for the headphone storage. Ooh, really nice. I would buy a pillowcase made out of this fabric. All right. Oh, jeez. Enough of the accessories. Let's get to the main event, the headphones and visor. Okay. Here's the visor. Some continuity between the other cables and this string here. Okay. And then the headphones. These are really, oh my gosh. These are very well built, to say the least. These are very nicely built. Probably better than the AirPods Maxes. Oh, you adjust them here. That explains the shape of these. This is the air filter. This is where the air filters go. On each side. Let's do a quick fit test. They fit pretty well. The passive noise cancellation is really good too. Look at that, they swivel like good headphones. They swivel like they should. Okay, those are really well built. Is there anything else in here? No. Very soft, very, very soft inside of here to not scratch the headphones. This is a pouch for the visor. Let's fit in the ear filters. those off to the side. Move this. Okay. All right. Okay, that doesn't want to fit as well. Ooh, I'm not a fan of that. What if I want to replace the ear cups? How difficult is it? Jeez, on the AirPods Max, it's just the magnets, but... And then I guess that's how it would look on your head. Let's see how these do. I'm skeptical, but I'm gonna give these a fair shot. Make a review, since this is such an obscure product from Dyson, and the reviews have been so mixed.